Are you ready to take control of your finances and start making money online in 2025? Whether you are looking to earn a side income or make it a full-time career, these 5 beginner-friendly methods can help you achieve your financial goals. In this video, I will explore ways to make money online. These methods are perfect for beginners and they can earn you from $15 to $25 per hour or even $30 per hour. Stick around until the end to get tips on how to start immediately. So if it's your first time to see this face on YouTube, it's your boy child, Mose Wamkota. I post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. So let's get started. Now the first one on our list is social media management. Companies and individuals worldwide need people to manage their social media accounts and grow their online presence. Now, as a social media manager, your task here will be creating and scheduling posts, managing engagements, that's replying to comments and messages. Then you will be analyzing performance metrics. You will be developing marketing strategies to grow accounts. Now, as a social media manager, you can expect to earn from $15 to $25 per hour. So, Mose, where can I find these gigs? You can find these gigs on Threads. You can go on to LinkedIn and find these social media positions. You can create your profile on Upwork showcasing your social media management skills to attract clients, or you can visit this website, simplyhire.com. Now here is a step-by-step process. Number 1, build a simple portfolio by managing small or personal accounts. The second one is that learn free tools like Hootsuite and Canva for scheduling and design. Now the third one is that you need to apply for jobs on the platform mentioned. Then network and grow your skills over time. Now the next fantastic way that you can make money online in 2025 as a beginner is through freelancing. Yes, freelancing. Freelancing allows you to offer specialized services like video editing, graphic designs, and translations. Now let's talk a little about video editing. Now when it comes to video editing, you need to learn to use free tools like DaVinci or CapCut. Offer services to YouTubers, TikTok creators, or small businesses. So where can I find these editing gigs? You can head on to Contra.com. Contra.com is a freelance website with a user-friendly interface, which makes it suitable for beginners. There's also another great website that is called Skyward.com. You can head on to these websites and start your freelance gigs. How much can I earn as a video editor? You can earn from $75 to $100 per hour, depending on the length of the project. As a beginner in 2025, you can also offer translation services. As a freelancer, you can translate content for businesses, expanding into new markets. The requirement here is that if you can speak more than 2 languages fluently. So Mose, where can I find these translation jobs? The biggest home of translators is Fiverr.com, but you can head on to Contra.com to see if there's positions on this website. You can expect to earn from $25 to $30 per hour, but it can vary depending on the locations. Graphic design is another fantastic way to earn money online in 2025. As a graphic designer, you'll be designing logos, branding materials, or social media graphics. Behance.com is the best bet for graphic designers, and you can expect to earn from $10 to $25 per hour. Some projects pays more depending on the complexity of the project. The next fantastic way to make money online in 2025 is to become a freelance writer. As a freelance writer, you'll be writing blog posts, copies, and social media content. And as a beginner, you'll be expecting to earn from $15 to $25 per hour. Now the next method that I'm about to tell you is my favorite, and that is content creation. If you enjoy being creative, then content creation might be for you. From YouTube videos to TikTok posts, creating content is a lucrative way to earn money online. Now on YouTube, Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can be monetized and then start earning money through ads revenue. You can also partner with brands to promote their products. And you can also earn a commission by promoting others' brands. Here are steps to start content creation. Number 1 is that you need to pick a niche. For example, you can pick a niche in travel, tech, or even fashion. Then step 2, pick a platform. For example, you can pick YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Then step 3, you need to create high quality engaging content consistently. And then the final step is to promote and build an audience. Now the 4th way to make money online in 2025 is by becoming a virtual assistant. The demand for VA is skyrocketing. Businesses need help managing their daily tasks, and you can assist them remotely. As a VA, you will be managing emails and schedulings, data entry and basic bookkeeping, social media management, and customer support. As a VA, you expect to earn from $12 to $25 per hour, but it varies by location. So Mose, where can I get these VA jobs? Now to get these VA jobs, you can head on to this website called 24/7 VA to see current openings, or you can head on to LinkedIn to see available jobs. How to get started? Identify the tasks that you are comfortable with. Then create a resume highlighting relevant skills. Then search for current openings on platforms like Belay Solutions. Now finally on our list we have copywriting. If you are good with words, this one is one of the most rewarding way to make money online. So Mose, what is copywriting? Copywriting is simply writing persuasive content to drive sales or engagement. Now examples of persuasive content that you will be writing is ads, sales pages, and product descriptions. Now here are steps to start copywriting. Now the first one is that you need to learn free online courses. Then write sample pieces for your portfolio and market your skills on freelance platforms or direct businesses. Build a network and then take on bigger projects. These 5 methods: social media management, freelancing, content creation, copywriting, and virtual assistants are perfect for beginners looking to make money online in 2025. Which method are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Start today and make 2025 a year of financial freedom. From your boy child, Mose Wamkota. God bless you. Until the next time, bye.